Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Orbit FC 0, Orlando Pirates 2. And that's the analysis question, right? Bob is on correct if I'm wrong.
Pinda let's go Mstini.
It's Orbit FC 0, Orlando Pirates 2.
Who scored from Orlando Pirates?
What was it?
No, you was scored about the Pirates, man.
The first goal.
Yeah.
Consequences Nabileyo, where a
goalkeeper
scores.
Orbit 0. Asiyeke
All right.
Up the backs.
Yeah.
Up the backs.
What was it?
Yeah.
Before start. Kunento ndifuna uyibona mngana.
Iyiple mngana.
Wawuthe uzanibonisa if this day iyafika. Ujustice unenwele zakhe, unenwele zakhe uchebile. Ungululeko uchebile ushaya nje i-short hair, utso une-cheese gop. Nami uyanibona even though ngikachebile sefrats but ikhona into endifuna uyibona mhlobo mawuthe uzasibonisa yona shoes Orlando Pirates win the league.
Yes mina mngana ukutshela into one. Mina ngi-honest mngana. Ngi-honest. Abantu abaningi babona.
Ladies and gentlemen,
yeah.
We are about to show you something that many of you have never seen with Itiski TV. Bobzin, ndiyinikela kuwe mhlobo.
Mngana mina ngi-honest ngicela ukutshela. Abantu abazi inhloko yami abantu abangibona ngidlala ibhola kuphela. Uma ngisefieldini but today mngana nami.
Yes.
Ngizoyithulela isigqoko Orlando Pirates.
Drum roll.
Ngizosikhipha mngana mkhululeke. Ngizosikhipha. Awungaba. Bobzin ithi ngibulisa amadoda le studio mngana wami. Uyazi ukuthi kunezinyembezi zenjabulo kunezinyembezi zala khona kubhlungu khona phela akukho ngaso sonke isikhathi la kugcwele khona kusho ukuthi kusuka kujatshiliwe sometimes kusuka kusemncwabeni nje so ithi ngithi yona mngani wami uyazi ukuthi ngifuna ukubuza umbuzo oyi-1 before ngena awungitshele ku-Christmas ne-New Year yiphi celebration enkulu mngani wami between i-Christmas ne-New Year
I-Christmas mhlobo ngabe wrong
enkulu ngisho le enza ukuthi abantu bangalali.
Yeah, it's New Year. It's New Year.
Okay, today it's a Christmas day. New Year izoba kusasa mngana mkhululeke.
Well. Namhlanje it's 24th of May, right? 24th of May was it 23? I'm quite sure we did. Oh, it's 23.
23.
So it's Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Normally it's like what 5 days or 6 days before ibe New Year, but namhlanje it's Christmas today, tomorrow it's New Year.
La eMzansi Shane. Kunjalo. So Shane asibongise iqembu leOrlando Pirates Shane. Ngana mina ngiyakubongisa ngicabanga ukuthi iya-deserve Orlando Pirates ukuba bo champagne uma ungabheka the way Orlando Pirates idlale ngakhona this season. Yes, ayicalanga kahle sibonile Orlando Pirates lose ama game awu2. Akuyi ngokuthi uqale kanjani bavamisile ukusho lokho kuya ngokuthi uyicedelela kanjani lento
Kanjani.
So ngicabanga ukuthi bayadeserve abelicembu leOrlando Pirates ukuthi baphakamise le Betway Shane they fought players uma ngabheka abadlali beOrlando Pirates nangama signing Orlando Pirates wayenzile this season it shows ukuthi bafuna ukuthi kube khona abakwenzayo abawinanga yona kuphela kunama trophy abayawinile this season so let's congratulate management Orlando Pirates, the technical team Orlando Pirates, and the players, even the supporters. Maungabheka this season. I-Pirates idlalile kuma sold out. So ngicabanga ukuthi bayideserve abalandeli beOrlando Pirates ukuthi today bayijabulele le Betway the way Orlando Pirates ngicabanga ukuthi yenze kahle ngakhona Shane kuwo wonke ama department uma ungathi uyabheka angiboni ukuthi akhona ama department la khona ungathi abayenzanga kahle kakhulu so ngicabanga ukuthi Shane ba deserve lehlombe kumele sibashayile izandla Shane yeah kumele sibashayile izandla and into engichaze kakhulu Shane ukuthi lento bayiplane kahle njengoba ngishizo last week ngathi i-celebration izoba khona this week ngiyacabanga ukuthi amabhakaniya i-country yonke Shane i-continent la khona kunabalandeli beOrlando Pirates namhlanje bajabule ngendlela eyisimanga Shane kepha thina Shane besibekile price stand silinde something singabalandeli beSundowns. Unfortunately unkomo Shane. Unkomo Shane.
Unkomo mhlobo.
Yeah Shane
Udecide uba inkomo.
No man. Unkomo Shane waletha abadlali beOpit nabalandeli beMamelodi Sundowns down Shane. Uma ungabheka the way amajita aqale ngakhona Shane singene la egamini today. Yeah, the way abalandeli I mean abadlali beOpit bayiqale ngakhona. I think beba understand ukuthi idraw ibalekile kubo. Ilento bengicabanga ukuthi bangayiphusha until njengoba ngibone badlala ngakhona ukuthi bangafika ku half time, but unfortunately nale pressure befaka eOrlando Pirates, so ngicabanga ukuthi they started very well Shane. Mawungabheka unkomo ngaphandle kwale mistake ayenzile Shane, ngifuna ukumnikeza credit. Uma ungabheka is comfortable ebholeni, uma uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola ngezinyawo unkomo. Ngibonile la khona sometimes kubonakala ngathi bazama ukumpressa but beka comfortable uyamdlala. Uma ungabheka ne-handling positioning yakhe ngaphandle kwalela goal Shane, ngicabanga ukuthi ungabnikeza. Wayenzile amanye ama-save ngwabonile unkomo, so uyazi ukuthi uma uzowenza imistake ezocost i-team kuvama ukukhansela yonke lento enhle yenzile Shane. So ngicabanga ukuthi is not a bad goalkeeper unkomo, ugoalkeeper ngicabanga ukuthi kuleya crowd ebeyikhona leya attendance abalandeli beOrlando Pirates bekabonakala njengomdlali ongathukanga Shane. The way ngimbone ngakhona bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe abadlali abangathuka kuleya game abadlali beOpit, but they showed unfortunately ukuya phambili Shane bebangabonakali njenge team engicabanga ukuthi balwele relegation, but defensively uma ungabheka first half they did very well. Benze lokho engicabanga ukuthi bebangakwenza because bonile necembu leOrlando Pirates liqala ukuba frustrated, but for bona uma ungabheka abonoyo they tried Shane ukuthi baphushe. There's a guy odlala lapha ku right back ngicabanga ukuthi bekenza kahle kuma jewels wakhe. Unfortunately lela side ebekasebenza kulo bekudinga ukuthi attack because sibonile aboponsana la phakathi nabonoyo bebazama ukuthi ba defend uma ngabe iOpit loser le ball position, but njengoba ngisho ukuthi bona idraw for bona be right, that's why bebangekho more ku attack belicembu leOpit Shane. So ukhumbule ukuthi if iOrlando Pirates icede ukukora lela goal kumosheka yonke into, game plan yamosheka because now kumele ukuthi uyo equalize, and uyo equalize kanjani because uyabona ukuthi the quality onayo nale quality Orlando Pirates enayo cishe Shane kunemehluko omkhulu kakhulu. So ngicabanga ukuthi badlale kahle first half, but second half bese kunzima for bona because sibona abaletha lo yamdlali olapha ku winger la ka left. Ngicabanga ukuthi bekulomdlali bengicabanga ukuthi uzocala ngale yami because I know ukuthi umdlali onjani, especially uma ngabe iOpit ifuna loku attack Shane. It's a player engimaziyo ukuthi skillful, is a player engimaziyo ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi decision making ayinikeze something iOpit, but ngendlela ngibone ngakhona Shane no abahambe kahle Shane ku NFT Shane. Ngiyacabanga abazoya balungise, baningi abakhonayo kwehla baphinde babuye, so mhlambe bazolungisa ukuthi bangehla because ngibona le team abadlala ngayo ngicabanga ukuthi le age yabavumela ukuthi they can also play ngebuningi babo lapha ku NFT because uyazi ukuthi kune limit under 23 ku NFT. So ngicabanga ukuthi lamajita angahla yolungisa, but it's not easy ku NFT ukuthi ubuye because siyabona abanye manje bayokuba ba relegator, abomjomana bahambile, siyabona abo Black Leopard, yabo Baroka. It's not easy Shane, but yeah, football it's football. Abahambe kahle Shane, mhlawumbe singahle sibabone kwamanye ama season njengoba sazi ukuthi bahamba babuye, but leya pitch Shane ngicabanga ukuthi kunamacembu azoke mhlawumbe athi kungcone iOpit ihambile man, leya pitch leya lapha sinokudlala kuyo. Sometimes akusi pitch esicabanga ukuthi amanye abalandeli bayajabulela ukuthi ama team angadlalela kuyo Shane.
Obviously, last week when we saw lineup at Orlando Pirates, we saw Tito starting at number 10. Moremi started off the bench. But namhlanje there were some changes. Rele started as a 10. Moremi, who came in second half last week against Durban City, started. Undaba also came in second half against Durban City, started namhlanje. As the changes, Z3, ndifuna ugxile kakhulu kule ye left back kaNdaba no Hoto. Did it surprise you? And if it surprised you, wayibona namhlanje ukuthi udlale njani uNdaba intoni ocinga ukuthi ucoach Abdeslam Wadu wanted to achieve ngoqalisa uNdaba namhlanje ahead of uHoto?
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi bekafuna ukudila ne-final third going forward because uNdaba uma ungabheka ungamcompare noHoto. uHoto wenza ama-run amahle kakhulu. Uyakwazi ukutholakala endaweni e-right ngesikhathi esi-right. But uma fika end product yakaHoto is very poor Shane. So uNdaba ubonile letha lawo ma-cutback. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach bekabheke lento leyo ukuthi I rather use uNdaba because anganginikeza something going forward. If ngidinga lawo ma-cross ngizothola lawo quality crosses kuNdaba. So that is why ngicabanga ukuthi ulethe uNdaba because of I understand ukuthi final third ngidinga abadlali mhlawumbe abazonginikeza something because kumele ngiye nge-attack kuleya team. It's not a team like ukuthi ngahlala emuva mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi ingangi-attack ngaleyo ndlela. So ngicabanga ukuthi lawo ma-changes wayenze kanjalo Shane.
Now midfield uSlepe naye he came under fire. Not under fire as like I think I need to choose amagama right.
Yeah.
There was a criticism inclusion yakhe last week, but it seems like Coach Wadu didn't listen to any noise. He decided okay, even Mbombela, I'm going to start Ngoboy. Waqala ngaye again namhlanje, he got man of the match. What did you think of him namhlanje?
If it's not Obit ufuna ukumdlalisa apho uSlepe. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi usebenzise lento leyo ukuthi yes ngidlalile neDurban City. And uBoy beyangekho bad, but sibeke ukuthi the way iPirates beyidinga abadlali abane experience kuleya game because angeke ulethe uBoy kulama game afana nalawa 20 game number 28 game number 29 oh you understand umfakela ipressure. So ngicabanga ukuthi manje uunderstandile nayo coach ukuthi ngizomletha uBoy because le team engiyodlala nayo angiboni kuyi team engasinikeza iproblem because if amdlalisi kulama game yakhumbula waletha uDancing against Sundowns and he scored a beautiful goal. So ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach understandayo ukuthi okay njengoba kunombatha lapha ithi ngimikise futhi uSlepe ngicabanga ukuthi uzonginikeza lento mhlawumbe ezongidinga and he played well today also ulo uSlepe. That is why the man of the match bamnikezile uma ngabheka for mina ngicabanga ukuthi bekenza kahle Shane because bekunama recovery awayenzayo banombatha and ilento bengibheka ngithi bengadinga abo number 6 about 2 beyidinga vele ukuthi oyi1 at least abe more offensive. That is why bengidinga umbatha little bit ukuthi akasondela azothola lawo ma shot on target because ibonakala iObit ifuna ukuhlala emuva. So ngicabanga ukuthi Shane adlale kahle lamajita njengoba usho ubheke nomdlali uSebelebele he played very well. Baningi amajita ngicabanga ukuthi benze kahle. Unfortunately abazange babe nenhlanhla Shane. I-problem Orlando Pirates bese ibonakala ifuna kwenza lento yenze ku Durban City ifuna urush ama ifike eboxini ifuna urush and ubonile no real decision making namhlanje bewaphuwa uma ungabheka amabhola amaningi ureal amlahlekele. So ngicabanga ukuthi leya pressure Shane yokuthi it's a must win game ikunikeza lento leyo psychologically yakumosha ungumdlali igcine sewulahlekelwa igame ekumele ukuthi uyidlale. So mina enye into engayisho ukuthi abadlali beOrlando Pirates nalokuba selfish eboxini uma ngabafuna ukudlala under pressure. Let's share the ball Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma goalkeepers committee ubhekane naye thatha ibhola ulibeke la kube empty net so kuba lula for bona but uma bafika lapha bafuna ukurasha kwangathi bekadinga lo mdlalo ngibona umbatha la khona ngithi nayi lento engidingayo ukuthatha lela bhola akhule down a relax abatshela ukuthi guys asirelaxeni siya leader now 1-0 so akunasidingo sokuthi kumele sirush. Let's allow them ukuthi beze kithi ebe-Obit sikwazi ukuthi sidlale. So Orlando Pirates Shane badlale kahle kakhulu especially nasemuva Shane kunomdlali engifuna ukukhuluma ngaye uBhodlela uSibisi. Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi uBhodlela Shane is a good leader for mina. Yes abanye abantu singamcriticize sithini but le leadership anayo Shane bamcriticize kaningi but akusilo umdlalo ecabanga ukuthi after uqeda ukumcriticize bamlethe enkundleni anale ampelled uzokuletha down uyachubeka udlala the way yachubeka ngakhona. So ngithi kuye mina awuthami ngicabanga ukuthi ngithanda ngendlela i-leadership yakhe ingakhona Shane akusimdlali ngicabanga ukuthi ungathi awumdingi eteamini yakho. Yes abanye abantu babheke kuphela mhlawumbe lawo ma performances ukuthi okay today wenze a mistake siyakhosteka but ngithanda the way angakhona Shane uSibisi pick up ngiyacabanga ukuthi beka deserve ukuthi ayilift le trophy. Yes abanye abantu bangacabanga ukuthi no uSibisi wenza ama mistake but Shane the character nayo yamdlali it's not easy umdlali ukuthi bangamcriticize ngalendlela abuye ngaso sonke isikhathi bamnikeza ichance abuye and ngicabanga ukuthi bano CM benze kahle kakhulu Shane after umbokazi ahambile. Yes, umunye umuntu angasho ukuthi ya no guys bebanga testwa but okay bekanga testwa wathola kanjani uChina ama clean sheet. Wathola kanjani because today Obid ayinani a shot on target. Ngicabanga ukuthi inendlela leya defense eOrlando Pirates iyenza kahle kakhona and naye futhi uChina ngiyacabanga ukuthi udinga ukuthi Shane simnikeze ama flowers wakhe for ukuthi athole la 21 clean sheet. It's not easy break a record Shane, so we must give him his flowers. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ya deserve because at the end of the day le organization ye defense idinga wena as a goalkeeper ukuthi bangasawatholi nalama shot on target because the more you communicate uorganize le defense irole oyidlalayo as a goalkeeper ngiya understand wenze lawo ma save but ukuba khona involve ucommunicate ne defense yakho ngicabanga ukuthi kuyakunceda izinto ezifana nalezo Shane. So Orlando Pirates engizoyivala kumele ilungise Shane kuma set piece njengoba sibonile today unkomo agcina azikorela kusho kona ukuthi lawo mabhola abawalethe boxini mangabathola ama corner kick baloko benza into e1 bahluleka Shane ukwenza ungahleki Shane mangikhuluma ngesibongo sakaNkomo isibongo esitrendayo namhlanje mngani nami ngiyacabanga ukuthi simikisa le team ku relegation today ngemistake ayenzile Shane.
Bobsi masivale mhlobo wami kodwa ke before sivale you are allowed now mhlobo wami ukuthi uthwale isigqoko sakho enhloko mhlobo wami umsebenzi waso
with due respect Shane ngirespecta kakhulu mngani wami ngiyabonga Thami.
Bobsi we had a wonderful season.
Uyavuma ngikubize ngoShane ngakubize ngoChamp. Double champ Arsenal in Orlando Pirates. Congratulations mngani.
Yes, I thought I was uthetha ngeArsenal.
No, angeke Arsenal ithathe ileague Pirates ihleke
thathe. But not wena sikakhulu.
Yeah.
The person who's supposed to be apologizing, he's sitting on the other side.
He's
He's sitting on the other side. He's the only person who should be apologizing to me. He didn't even send me a text on Tuesday.
Useza la. No, wena usuke kajaka. Useza Mr. Nkiwu. Mhlawumbe uzofika la apologize awazi. Ithi ngikutshele mngani wami. iArsenal beyinesikhathi eside engathathi ileague. Ithethe manje. Orlando Pirates inesikhathi eside engayithathi. Kwayona iSundowns ina 10 years ingathathi CAF Champions League. Kumele ithathe kusasa Shane sijabule sonke. Ngitshele ngathi le weekend le kumele sijabule sonke. Ungadonsa nabo makhelwane ngale side ine Soweto ni celebrate nonke namhlanje. Thank you Shane.
What was it? Masivale. Well, beautiful scenes on the screen on my left. Yeah, okay. The last time I saw those scenes was 14 years ago. I waited 14 years before I could see that. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. It's Orbit FC 2. Orbit FC 2. Orlando Pirates 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Thank you.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.